In the state of Louisiana, you have rights to go after the disability insurance company that has denied your disability insurance claim. Louisiana residents may file in state court or federal court depending on the circumstances and facts of your Louisiana disability insurance claim. I'm attorney Samuel Rogatinsky. The reason you are here is because you are probably suffering from either an illness or an injury that has changed your life. In your mind, you thought that you and your family were protected because you were paying premiums to a disability insurance company that you thought was reputable. Maybe you have a policy with one of the repeat offenders like MetLife, Unum, or Hartford. Or it might be with a company that you never heard of. There are 40 companies that sell short-term and long-term disability insurance, and they take in about $15 billion in premiums each year. Some people have individual policies, and some have group disability policies. Both types are supposed to pay you if you can't work, but you will quickly find that they do everything in their power to deny your claim and pay you nothing. The disability insurance company adjuster looks at your file, and if he or she decides to deny your benefits, it is strictly a business decision. Disability insurance companies are in the business of collecting premiums and not paying claims. When they can avoid it, they just won't pay. It is strictly a numbers game with these disability insurance companies. They know that most people will give up and abandon their claims, so they make your life difficult from day one. They want you to know that it's going to be a tough road, and they want to break you. They want to break you down, mentally and physically, so you get discouraged and go away. These companies thrive because they starve out most claimants by making them jump through hoops. And after they tire you out, they come back with a whole new set of demands. I understand that you need this money to pay your bills and support your family. The reason you bought the insurance was so that your family would be protected if you were not able to work. So why are they doing this to you? The answer is simple. They do it because they can. They know it takes time to fight a claim, and most people can't afford to wait. It sounds disgusting, but it's true. I want you to know that not only do I handle these types of claims throughout the United States, but I was also a MetLife disability insurance victim. I experienced how they play games to avoid paying injured claimants. I fought hard and I won, and I want to do the same for you. Call me today on my personal cell phone number at 954-444-4032 so I can listen to your story and help you get the money you deserve. I take these cases very personally, and I can help you, but you must contact me now.